Hey friends, if you wish to save a notepad file to your desktop, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. Search for notepad and this will open the notepad. Go to notepad, okay? Let us say that I have a file here. So I'll click on file, I'll select save as. Now I'll select the location as desktop, I'll give it a name and then I can click on save. This can save a text file because the default format is text. Okay, I'll do this. But let us say I can do a lot more with this, especially from a coder. So click on file, save as. If I change it to all files, now whatever extension I give to it will become the extension. Let us say I made it test.exe and I hit enter. It becomes an exe file automatically. Just look at this one. It has become an exe file here. And the previous one, it was a text file. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.